Let's begin! Hello guys! Today we are gonna make some cake. It says first we need 1 cup of water. Now we need 3-legged eggs. And now we need 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Let's begin!
Now we're gonna mix all the ingredients all together.
Now let's get the water and we'll pour it in. Pour it in all. Now we're gonna need some of those eggs. Now we're gonna need some of that vegetable oil. Now we're gonna mix it all up, right? Now smash. Now mix it. Forgot to hold it.
Mix.
Our mix is ready. Now we're gonna pour it.
Slowly.
There, that's enough. That's a little bit more.
That's it. Let's switch. Hold on.
Now we're gonna switch. For the other side. Let's put a little bit more into this side.
That's it. Next one.
Can we pat it up?
You can do after you finish all of them.
So I can, straight. A little bit more, and that will be it. A little bit more. One more.
You can use this
There.
spoon to complete the
Patting first. Now let's pat. Until it's good. For the next of our mix, we are gonna put it in this pan. Woo! Let's put a little bit more.
Let's check first.
We should pat it too. Yeah, that's what I call a cake. Now I'm gonna enjoy a little.
Our cakes are done. We just need, this is our cupcakes, and we just need to decorate them. What are you doing?
I'm putting all the frosting.
Let me move this here. Oops. Let me move. Oh, nice. Look how beautiful our cake is.
It looks like an Oreo.
Yeah.
Because this
I
is
like
the,
a sandwich.
This is the
Those are the cookies?
this is the chocolate, and then this is the frosting.
Okay, so now what are you going to do right now?
So I'm gonna insert some.
You're gonna put some color
I need
on your frosting?
some more.
Okay. So just mix.
Mix up. I think we should add a little bit more to make
Mix,
white.
mix. No, mix.
Mix mix some.
Okay, now you're gonna add any other color?
Wait, we add a little bit more blue because it needs to be super blue fish.
But you're gonna add another color?
Yeah, it's pink to make
So
purple.
here, put the pink and let's see how it's gonna come in. Use a spoon. Now, let me put this right here. Okay.
More pink. Look, I made the color purple by putting blue and pink.
Let me see if they can appreciate a little bit more. Beautiful.
See, these are the colors I used to make the.
Can you show where the colors names show? No, you put, okay, yes. Pink and blue. And look that beautiful purple, light purple she create. You cannot appreciate it too well, but it's a beautiful light purple. So let's start decorating our cake.
Yeah. All you gotta do
Here we go.
All you gotta do is get a scoop and put it in.
Oh.
Okay, my mom helped me. Now all I need to do is spread it.
Go.